Morning, guys. Welcome back to another episode of London Doctor Diaries. I am starting this on a really somber note. Reason being, this is our last week in this flat. So it's T minus 6 days before we move, before we pack up 5 years of our lives. It feels very bittersweet, if I'm being honest. On one note, I'm obviously really sad because there's so many memories attached to this place. This was our first home in London. I moved in January 2020 and then Dean subsequently moved in August 2020, and we've made this place our home away from home. We've felt like home in London even if we've lived thousands of miles or kilometers away from our family. It's because of this place. We've had such an amazing time here through the pandemic, coming out of the pandemic, all the travels, all the memories, all the firsts, me passing my exams, me failing my exams, hosting our family. My mom was able to visit twice and stay with us in this tiny one-bed flat. So was my sister. So many experiences and so many memories. I'm probably not even able to remember them because this flat has seen me cry, laugh, grow, and become who I am today. I started taking my social media journey seriously. My channel changed gears both on Instagram and here on YouTube. I started sharing more about my own journey of moving countries, sitting for exams, and everything surrounding that. And then it kind of transitioned to London Doctor Diaries and life here in the UK as an expat. And same goes for my Instagram page, which used to be called Monotonous, and then it became the Mental Health Doc. And there's so much evidence-based information, lifestyle, life advice that I give on that page and over here as well. Being able to have open conversations with you guys through this interface of internet has been absolutely amazing. I haven't in any shape or form reached close to what my goals are, but at the same time, it's given me such a good head start and kickstart. And I'll always remember this flat for so many reasons, because every time I look at any corner of this flat, all the videos and all the memories just come rushing back to me. And that's why it feels sad to be closing this chapter. However, in life, when one door closes, another one opens. I am really excited to show you guys the new place. Honestly, it still feels like a dream pinch me moment. We've always wanted a bigger space. It is a really crammed up space for two people, and we've made it work for 5 long years, which has given us a head start to be able to afford a bigger place. We don't come from generational wealth. We don't come from family backing that way. Whatever we've built here has been between the both of us. It's just amazing that we are able to afford a bigger space. So knock on the wood. And I cannot wait to show you my dream Pinterest flat. Literally, that's what I called it the moment I saw it. And I was like, oh my God, Dean, this is it. This has to be it. So I'm really excited to take you guys on this journey of moving flats. And that's going to happen at the end of this week. So today I'm actually on an on-call later on this evening. So I've got a bit of time this morning to get a bit of a head start in terms of packing. Actually started packing last night, and that's where this vlog would have started. So yeah, I'll give you a bit of a sneak peek of the future flat at the end of this vlog. But yeah, stay tuned because there's lots of things happening through the week. I've got on calls, I've got work, and I've got a few content events to attend as well. So yeah, obviously it goes without saying, I'm going to take you guys along with me. Morning, guys. This is post nights on call. I think the last time you guys saw me, I was packing, and then I just didn't have the time to film, so I just continued packing. So once the packing was wrapped up, it's not wrapped up. It's nowhere near close to even getting started. We've just realized how much stuff we've accumulated over the years. In the evening, I was really exhausted. Then we had the handover meeting at 9 p.m., which went fine. Post handover, I kind of stayed up a little longer. I called up liaison services as well to see if there's any kind of mental health act assessment, patients awaiting in A&E to be seen. Throughout the night, it was pretty steady. So there was just 1-2 odd calls. Obviously, that broke my sleep. That means I did not have uninterrupted sleep at night, which is why I'm going in late to work. In terms of on-calls as registrar, currently our on-calls are non non-resident on-calls, and I hope it stays that way because there's this whole discussion going on in our trust making them resident on-calls, which we are not keen towards because that would mean we are going to also have a pay cut as a registrar, and I haven't worked this hard in my life to take a pay cut at this level. In terms of reg on-calls, they're non-residents, so the on-calls are from home, and then we get called in if there's somebody awaiting in A&E to be seen, or else on a weekend we would go into the mental health hospital if someone's been admitted overnight to have a senior registrar review. So that's the way reg on calls work. And last night I didn't have to go in physically. Basically, the only reason on a weekday I would go in during on call as a registrar out of hours would be for a mental health act assessment. I'm on call again day after tomorrow. This doesn't usually happen. This happened because of my own doing, and what that means is that I've made some swaps. That's my spiel with regards to my on call yesterday. I'm going to finish my matcha, pack my stuff, and then I'm going to take you along with me to work, obviously. Let's go. Honestly, guys, I wasn't even going to get ready and go for this event. It is 5:20 p.m. So this is after work. I don't know how much I should be ranting about work on social media. I don't think I should be. There are a few events coming up next week and I wanted to be able to attend them. I don't even know if I'm going to be putting this up or not. I'm being told I can't take annual leave next week, which really complicates the whole scenario of me wanting to go. I got really upset about it, but I've kind of found a different way to do it. So Dean is going to be helping me out. He's going to be working at a cafe near the hospital and then have all my stuff, and then at 5 p.m. come and give me stuff for me to change and get ready, and then take my work stuff with him home. I'll obviously be late for the event because it's in completely different part of London, but it is what it is. I really don't want to miss it. That is the honest truth when you're trying to juggle two different lives, and when things like this happen, and I've let go of so many opportunities to accommodate various different things at work. Makes me really wonder and question a few different things. Anyway, so I was really upset about it. And there's another event today which I am invited for, and I just felt like not going because I was so sad. Then you know what, I just needed a pep talk. So looked myself in the mirror and spoke to myself and said that get out of this rut. You cannot let someone else dictate how you're feeling and what you want to do. So I have quickly changed. I'm going for this wellness event. I've never been invited for a wellness event. It's in a wellness clinic. They also have services led by psychologists, various different therapies they offer. Also they have, breath and sound work. So yeah, I'm quite excited. I've read about it online. So I'm going for a breath and sound class. I did go for a sound bath in Natural History Museum, which I absolutely love. So I'm hoping this is something that's going to be right up my alley as well. Obviously goes without saying you're coming with me. So let's go. Morning everyone, this is moving day update. Did not need this stress right in the morning when we woke up. We're still finishing last bits of packing. Our van was booked for 11 a.m. and they turned up at 8 a.m. We were like, what are you doing here? We don't even have keys until 11 a.m. And they said, oh, you haven't finished packing. Really pissed me off right in the morning. I was like, excuse me, you've come before the time you were meant to, and then they call us and say that we're not coming back, and that was a whole different stress in itself. Called any van. Yeah, I was like, what's going on? Why do you guys turn up at 8 a.m. when it's from 11 a.m.? We don't even have keys. Where are you going to take all this luggage and go? So we've been assigned another driver. So that's that. Moving day, woohoo! I'm just taking the bus down the road. Did some stuff with me. Dean has gone in the van. I don't know if I told you guys this just got the keys. We've put in paint sheets so when they come in to drop all the boxes and everything, it doesn't get dirty. Yay, moving it today. Oh my god.
Welcome home.
Woohoo! The tough part is done.
Or is it? Don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, so we've officially entered our new flat. Our flat owner has left us a cute little car. Cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. Time to unpack. Let's go eat something first.